Hi, I'm Felix from UTECTION, and this video will explain to you how to install your screen protector in the best possible way. Should there be any problems against all expectations, just get in touch with us. You'll receive a free and unconditional replacement.
In this video, we will show you in the first part how to apply your UTECTION screen protector perfectly and easily. In the second part, you will learn how to change your screen protector. Now, let's get started with the installation part. In your UTECTION package, you will find an installation frame with glass, 2 replacement glasses, a foam pad, and the necessary cleaning accessories in the installation kit. Now, place your phone on the foam pad, which is located in the installation frame. We recommend that you wipe your workspace with a damp cloth once before installation to prevent dust from flying around. Clean your screen thoroughly with the alcohol cloth. Also, pay attention to the edges of the screen. Now use the microfiber cloth and remove the remains of the liquid. You can also use a dust sticker to remove dust particles. Please take your time here and work very thoroughly. Even the smallest dust particles can later lead to bubbles under the glass. When this is done, the installation frame is used. Important! The installation frame is marked with top and an arrow. Accordingly, this is aligned to the top of the speaker notch. Now it gets exciting. Turn the installation device around. Pull off the safety film on the adhesive strip, turn the frame around again, and place the glass perfectly on your iPhone. Now press with your finger on number 1, along direction towards 2, and then towards direction 3. The screen protector now absorbs itself as if by magic. Wait a few seconds until the glass is absorbed perfectly and then carefully remove the adhesive arrow at 4. If bubbles are still visible, they will disappear within the next 24 hours. This is how easy and quick it is to apply your screen protector by yourself. Now your iPhone is protected in the best possible way. Part 2. Now we change the screen protector. In the first step, we will put the glass into the installation frame. Important! Top marks the upper part where the cutout or the notch for the speaker is. Place the glass in the fixture. Now loosen the blue adhesive arrow. Hold the new glass in the installation frame with one finger, turn it around, and fix the new glass with the blue adhesive arrow. Make sure it sticks properly. Now you can repeat the procedure from part 1.